How to redeem PayPal gift card. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. So let me move into Google Chrome. Once you're in here, you have to move into the site of PayPal and then enter your login credential, as in your email address and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. At the top, tons of different options will be available to you, but click on Pay and Get Paid. Inside that option, you have to click on Banks and Cards. You will be landing on this page. You can see two different options. One is Link a New Card and the other is Link a New Bank. In order to redeem a gift card, you have to click on Link a New Card. This interface will pop up on your screen. In this page, what you want to do is you simply have to enter the card number of your gift card and then enter the card type, expiration date, and also the security code. Don't forget to mention the billing address. Once you have entered, tap on Link Card at the bottom. After that, your gift card will be redeemed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can redeem PayPal gift card. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.